In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bullet list in Notion. If you are organizing notes, planning a project, or just trying to make information easier to scan, bullet lists are one of the most useful formatting tools in Notion. They help break ideas into clear, readable points, and the good news is that there are a few simple ways to create them depending on how you like to work. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. On any empty line in Notion, type a dash, an asterisk, or a plus sign, and then press the spacebar. As soon as you do that, Notion automatically converts the line into a bulleted list item. This is a great option if you prefer typing quickly and want to stay focused without reaching for your mouse. Once the bullet appears, just type your text and press enter to create the next bullet point. This makes it very easy to build a list in seconds. Another simple way to do it is with the slash command. Click on an empty line, type /bullet, and then press enter when you see the bulleted list option in the drop-down menu. Notion uses slash commands for many different content types. So this method is especially helpful if you are already used to inserting elements that way. It also gives you a visual confirmation before you choose the formatting, which can be useful if you are still getting comfortable with the interface. You can also create a bullet list from the block menu. Move your cursor over a new empty line and you'll see a plus icon appear to the side. Click that icon to open the block menu. Then select Bulleted List from the available options. This approach is ideal if you prefer clicking through menus instead of memorizing shortcuts or commands. It's also a nice method for beginners because it lets you see exactly where the bullet list option is located. All three methods do the same thing, so the best one really depends on your workflow. If speed matters most, use the keyboard shortcut. If you like command-based formatting, use the slash command. And if you prefer visual menus, use the plus icon and block menu. Once you get used to these options, adding bullet lists in Notion becomes quick and natural. Try each method and stick with the one that feels easiest for you.